Hi, everyone. This is Well Shared. Just wanted to touch base with you, do sort of a mini wrap up. It's coming down to that point of the semester. You only have a couple weeks left. I believe it's two actually, where we'll be, well, probably three now, but engaging and that you will have assignments. Now, what I want to do is just kind of make sure that you are on track. The one thing I want you to do is make sure that you have gone back and looked at any of your quizzes that you may have missed or that you may have not done very well in. I want to give you the opportunity to reach out to me. Let me know maybe the circumstances that you missed a quiz or that you'd like to take it over. What I'd like to do is have you leave this class with life lessons. It has been a tough semester. You have had to look at a lot of videos, and I really miss teaching one-on-one and making these presentations myself. So I just hope that you've walked away with some concepts on fitness and wellness, some eating, nutritional tidbits, some healthy eating habits, and exercises. That first week I put some exercises in the videos just to do, I think it was 5 minutes that he had a exercise video. And if you just do a little bit at a time, you'll make out really well. So as I tell my children, I give you the tools and you can put them in your toolbox and take them out into the world and do what you want with them. And of course, my goal for you is to be healthy and maybe share some of the ideas that we've had presented to you in this program, and just stay healthy and see the doctor less, and be able to do the things that you want to do in life because you aren't restricted by your poor health choices. Sometimes we don't have choices, but in the situations that you do, I hope that you've learned how to handle them. So in this video today, it is about behavior modification when it comes to your eating, your exercise, and healthy lifestyle. So I would love you to take some really good points away from that. So there will be a quiz following, as usual. And if you have any questions, if you would like to talk to me about designing a fitness plan, working on your SMART goals, I am not going to have you turn in any of that because it does get to be a lot for both you and me. I have close to 100 students, so I would love to look at it if you would like me to. I will talk to you about any exercise programs, of course, the eating programs, and shopping, nutritional, anything. So reach out to me. I'd love to interact. And enjoy this next video. It is very well done. She makes really good points about just changing your mindset. When you want to be healthy, it's just all in what you're thinking and making time to do. So I know everybody's a little stressed out. We have a lot more going on than usual right now with the COVID protocols. And I wish everybody well this week. I look forward to chatting at you next week. We'll have a mini wrap up and let you know what's going on for the rest of the semester. So have a great week, and I'll see you next Wednesday. Thanks.